Established in 1993, Chia Ming is a professional manufacturer of a blow molding machine. Quality, integrity, and innovation are the three core values of Chia Ming. Quality. We started with the manufacturing extrusion blow molding machine and focus on this industry for almost 30 years. Quality is always our priority. So even the first generation model now is still working and operating in the factory. Even though we are not the best in the market, but we are the most reliable partner you can depend on. Many of our customers started with small, but now they have grown up to be a major packaging cooperation. Innovation. In order to satisfy our customers' needs, we provide a total solution from blow molding machine to leveling. Chia Ming, with years of blow molding technologically experience, is able to help you on various container productions. Also, to meet our market trend, we continue to optimize and develop new technology. Even case is an opportunity for us to improve ourselves. Integrity. Right now, 90% of our orders are from overseas. To ensure the service and the technician support, with our agent in Japan, America, Colombia, Vietnam, Egypt, and so on. You can find Chia Ming machines in 5 continents and in more than 70 countries. This is showing the trust of Chia Ming can earn almost its client. We won't recommend the most expensive equipment to our customer, but the most suitable and profitable one. We are the only manufacturers for the extrusion blow molding machine and the 2-stage PT stretch blow molding machines. Come to Chia Ming. Our machine can provide you the different bottle productions like detergent bottles, medical, cosmetic, or regular water bottles, or even the different kind of jar bottles. If you have any bottling production request, come to Chia Ming. Let me help you.